Improving your gaming experience in PUBG when facing high ping can make a significant difference in gameplay. Follow these steps to enhance your connection and reduce lag. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Ensure that your internet connection is stable and fast enough for online gaming. You can use speed test websites to check your download and upload speeds. Ideally, you should have a minimum of 3 Mbps download speed for smooth gameplay. Step 2. Use a wired connection. If you are currently using Wi-Fi, consider switching to a wired Ethernet connection. Wired connections are generally more stable and offer lower latency compared to wireless connections, which can help reduce ping. Step 3. Close background applications. Before launching PUBG, close any unnecessary applications running in the background that may be using bandwidth. This includes streaming services, downloads, and other online activities that could affect your internet speed. Step 4. Change server region. In PUBG, you can select different server regions. If you are experiencing high ping, try switching to a server that is geographically closer to. This can help reduce the distance your data has to travel, resulting in lower ping. Step 5. Optimize game settings. Adjust your in-game settings to optimize performance. Lowering graphics settings can help improve frame rates and reduce lag. Additionally, consider disabling features like voice chat if they are not needed, as they can consume bandwidth. By following these steps, you can enhance your gaming experience in PUBG and enjoy smoother gameplay with reduced ping. Happy gaming!